Hello and welcome to another edition of Irving Public Library's Page Turners. I'm your host, Mandy Aguilar, and this month we're talking to Tulip Majumdar, teen librarian at West Irving Library. Thanks for being here, Tulip.
I'm so happy to be here, and I brought a cookbook today.
That is a first for Page Turners. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, it's called Jubilee, Recipes from 2 Centuries of African American Cooking by Toni Tipton Martin.
Can you tell us a little bit about the author?
Yes, she is a chef, an activist, grassroots organizer who researched 2 centuries of African American cooking. So this book combines updated recipes and those original classics.
Have you made any of the recipes?
I have. My favorite one is by far the Jamaican jerk ribs with pineapple salsa. It's this perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. It's super flavorful, and I'm not the best cook, but it's foolproof for beginners.
Oh, excellent. Okay. What about a recipe you think everybody should try?
Definitely the Southern pecan pie. So it'll be perfect for the holidays. It's laced with whiskey or rum, and I don't like super sweet things, but that whiskey or rum, if you choose to add it, really cuts down that sweetness.
Well, it looks amazing, and I will give it a shot and let you know how it turns out. Anything else you'd like to share about Jubilee?
This book is such a celebration of African American life and culture. It honors the hands that made and created these recipes that we all consider, American cuisine today. From the enslaved Black chefs to chefs who are working for the Black elite, it runs the gamut. There's a old recipe in here from 1881 for okra gumbo, and it's so cool to see that history in here and have that be honored.
Well, thank you for coming and sharing this wonderful cookbook with us. I will add it to my shelf right away. And thanks everyone at home for joining us. We will see you again next month.
You can check out a copy of Jubilee, Recipes from 2 Centuries of African American Cooking at any Irving Public Library branch. Learn more at cityofirving.org/library.